What's up guys, Ritzel here for the Scooter Life and DIY YouTube channel. In this video, I am replacing my friend's 9-bot G30 rear tire, and this is a tubeless tire. Now, as I was about to begin the work, I feel like that there is something wrong with the tire. So then, I asked my friend a little history on those days before he came to me. So this is what he told me. He said that one day, he found out that his scooter rear tire is deflating overnight, and what he does is he inflate the tire in the morning and gone to work, of course riding his electric scooter for 6 kilometers one way, and not knowing that while riding his scooter the rear tire is losing air again, and he does just inflate the tire every day before going to work for almost a month. So now, in my own opinion, once you start riding your scooter, the electric motor will become hot, plus the pavement, the road will make your tires hot too because of the friction. So in the case that a flat tire is being on the road for, let's say, 10 minutes or more, will obviously melt. And this is what happened, guys. Check this out. Whoa, see that? That is the melted rubber. It's like a showy, rubbery bubble gum, you know? So anyway, long story short, we're done cleaning the outside part of the electric motor. We done clean the showy rubber like a bubble gum. So it's time for us to put the new tires. Most of the people like myself relies on electric scooter every day for daily commute to work or anything. So I think it is best to take a look around with your electric scooter every once in a while.
Otherwise we'd be in a lot of trouble.
Yeah.
Well, I'll be in trouble.
Well, you run this flat anyway.
Yeah.
Hey, hold this for me. Then push the button.
Okay.
Yeah, seems like it's holding air.
Now. hopefully this should last me another year.
Hopefully. Yeah, I think.
After this.
Yep. So that's all, guys. If you're watching, thank you so much. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Oh yeah.
It's good.